Hi, this is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to talk about the different types of loans that you can get here in India. Right, so there are different types of loans depending on different financial needs that you would have. Right, some of the common types of loans that are available in India. Number one is a personal loan. Right, personal loan is a multi-purpose loan. You can get a personal loan for different financial needs that you have, whether it's your wedding, your sister's wedding. You want to take a foreign trip, right? You need some cash to, let's say, spend on a domestic vacation, so you can get a personal loan, right? And it's very generic loans. They have a very high rate of interest. The simple reason they have a high rate of interest is these loans are secured loans, right? Secured Unsecured loans, sorry. uh, they don't have any guarantee, or they don't have any collateral that you have to provide, right? All you have to go is say that you need a loan of 1 lakh rupees, let's say, right? And some people will look at your credit history, and based on your credit history, they will offer you an unsecured personal loan at a slightly higher rate of interest. Second is a vehicle loan. Again, a very common loan by all people who aspire to own a vehicle, right? Whether it's a car or a bike, right? Even when you're looking at purchasing an old vehicle, at sometimes, if it's an expensive buy, then you would require to take a loan, right? So on the other side, the vehicle loan is a secured loan, right? Which means you need to uh, give some guarantee to the bank. So the car or the bike that you buy is actually hypothecated to the bank, right? All the paperwork after you buy the car, is the registration certificate, etc., everything is in the bank's custody, right? Only once you repay the loan in full, these original papers are transferred or given back to the owner, and you actually then own the vehicle or the bike. uh, until and unless you don't make the complete repayment, the vehicle is not in your name, right? So that's why vehicle loans are considered as secured loans. If not paid on time, the bank has some security. The bank can recover its loan amount by selling off your vehicle, right? Third is an education loan. Again, education loan mostly availed by parents for higher education of their kids abroad, right? Or let's say, even if you want to study abroad, do an MBA, right? Usually would cost 1 crore and upwards, right? So you will want to go in for a education loan. Again, an education loan usually is, the tenure is between 5 to 7 years, and it's considered as a good loan, right? Because uh, the interest that is applicable on a education loan, that is falls under the tax benefits, right? So you get tax benefit on repaying the interest, and you have to start repaying this interest only 1 year after you've completed your education, right? So if your course is of 2 years, then you start repaying the EMI on the third from the third year onwards. A consumer loan, again, very common loan in India, very popular loan, right? For buying consumer goods, right? So uh, Bajaj Alliance is a company that does consumer loans. If you want to buy, let's say, a refrigerator, right? You don't want to spend the entire money upfront. You can get a small consumer loan, and you're repaying that on an EMI basis, right? Sometimes if you buy products, let's say you buy a laptop from uh, Flipkart, or if you buy a laptop from Amazon, they will ask whether you want to convert this credit card swipe on a monthly installment, right? That's a consumer loan, I would say, on your credit card, or it's a loan that you can get on your credit card. Fifth is a home loan. Again, very common. 80%, I would say, 80% of savings of Indians go into buying a house, right? And most of the people, whether they are wealthy or whether they don't have enough funds, they will opt for a home loan, whether it's buying a new house or whether you want to renovate your existing house, right? So home loans are of high amounts, maybe 20 lakh, 30 lakh upwards, 40 lakh upwards, and they have a longer repayment cycle or a repayment duration, usually 20 years or above, right? So the rate of interest is, lower. It's considered as a good loan. You get tax benefits, right? If you're repaying the principal amount, then you get a tax benefit of 2 lakh rupees. If you're repaying the interest on a monthly basis, you get a tax benefit of at least 1.5 lakh rupees. If you're a first time home buyer, then you get a 50,000 additional benefit towards your home loan, right? So you can save a lot of tax if you're availing a home loan. And like a vehicle loan, this loan is a secured loan, right? Which means your original house registration papers, etc., they are with the bank, in the name of the bank who is providing you this loan, right? And after you go ahead and repay the loan, the papers will be transferred in your name, right? Finally, we have a business loan. This is a slightly complicated loan here, but again, a business would require loan for multiple purposes, right? So to expand the business, geographic growth, right? Or requirement for working capital to pay the employees, right? Pay salaries, right? Or upgrading technology, right? Making, bringing computers, buying hardware, infrastructure costs, right? So there might be working capital loans, there might be infrastructure loans which businesses might avail, right? And this is a complex loan, has no fixed ROI or tenure, right? It varies from loan to loan depending on which bank is providing you with a loan, right? uh, a loan is usually provided to a company or a business that is has a shortage of funds. Just to summarize, there are different types of loans. Most common loans available in India: personal loans, consumer loans, home loans, vehicle loans, right? Business loans are also there for companies, not for individuals, right? For meeting specific business requirements, right? That's it for now. I hope you liked this video. Just comment below and tell me what are the different types of loans that you have availed till date, right? Have a good day.